Check out this delicious fish I've brought for you all today. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Delicious Kitchen. I brought you a wonderful fish recipe, very delicious, super juicy and so easy to prepare. Let me show you how I did that. That is the fresh fish I'll be using. It is red tilapia fish. This recipe goes well with every other kind of fish. You can see what I'm doing right now. The fish needs to be well cleaned. What I'm doing right now is cutting off the fins. I'll remove the guts. After that, I'm not just going to leave it like that. I'm going to get just a slice of lemon, or lemon juice is also okay. I'm going to wash it all over with it, just like this, rub it all over. It will remove the fish odor and make it to taste also better. After that, I rinsed it very well. I'm going to pour vegetable oil into a pot I'll be using. I'll heat it up a bit and add onions into it. And I'm going to add diced garlic. Please check the description box or comment section. You will see exactly the measurements of everything I used. I fried everything for about 2 to 3 minutes for it to boost the flavor of the fish. You will love it if you do it this way. I'm going to add sliced bell pepper and I'll add habanero pepper. I'm going to add fresh oregano and rosemary into it. Feel free to use dried one. I'm adding dill into this and I'm going to add parsley into it. After that, I'm going to add seasoning and I'll add some salt. After that, I gave it a good mix. I'll use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for sharing my videos. Thank you for the comments and the likes. Newcomers are also welcome. Please remember to subscribe. Join me on all other social media. Let's be friends. Thank you so much. I added chili flakes into this for the heat vibe. I want it to really spicy. Remember, we added habanero at the beginning, but I wanted more spicy. That's the reason why I added more pepper into it. So lovely. I fried everything for about 5 to 6 minutes together and it is okay. So I tasted for seasoning and salt. At the stage one can adjust it, but this is super okay. So I took half of this pepper mix. I took half of it and I kept it for later use. So the remaining in the pot is what I'm going to use first of all. This is the baking tray I'm using and I have this my aluminium foil. I placed it on it and I also use baking paper, and on top of the baking paper I placed the well-washed fish and I gave it some slides so that all the ingredients we're using will be able to enter into the fish very well. So first of all, I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper all over it. I'm starting from the right side and I'm also going to sprinkle salt on it. Then I rubbed it all over, then flipped it over, and I repeated the same process with the black pepper and also with some salt, and I also rubbed it all over it. So after that, I got the pepper mix. Yes, I'm going to pour part of the juice that came out of our amazing pepper mix and part of the pepper on top of it. Okay, I'm just going to take the fish, because of the slide we gave it on it, I'm just going to fold it just a bit as if I want to fold it so that all the juice will enter into the fish. Then I flipped it over and I poured the remaining in the pot on top of the fish. Remember, we took half of it already in a plate. We're going to use that one later, and I tried to put it into the holes there from the head. I'll also use some shrimps there. Yes, crayfish. If you have it, use it. Any kind of seafood you want to add into it, just pour it there, no problem. You will love it. So it's now time to cover it well. I covered it first of all with the baking paper and I used the aluminium foil to hold it well covered. So now I placed it in oven 200 centigrade for 20 minutes at the down of it. Okay, After 20 minutes, I brought it out and I opened it. Lovely. The aroma in this kitchen is given. It's saying it all. This kitchen is filled with delicious aroma. So I'm going to open it like this, place it back into the oven 200 centigrade, and I'm going to bake it for another 10 minutes. So let's see how it's going to come out. Tra-la-la, it is ready. I transferred it into a plate and I poured the pepper we separated at the beginning on top of it. This is what I have. Loveless. This is really presentable. It is filled with delicious aroma, and you know what? It does not only look good like this, it tastes super delicious. Don't go. Let me show you how it looks inside out. Look at it. I'm going to take part of it. I'm just going to squeeze it. Can you see how juicy it is? Lovely. If you're into food business, add this to your menu, add this to your business. I bet this is going to be the banger of it. Give it a try. You will love it. Make this for your family, or if you're celebrating any occasion, add it into this. You will thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.